Greetings, tech enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to have you join us today for a deep dive into the future of technology. Today, we're unraveling the wonders of the Apple Vision Pro. So, grab your popcorn and settle in. This is going to be an exciting journey. Let's kick things off by exploring what the Apple Vision Pro is all about. Picture this, a device that seamlessly merges elegance with functionality, setting new standards in the tech world. The first thing that catches your eye is its stunning display. We're talking about a visual experience that goes beyond what you thought was possible. The Apple Vision Pro's crystal clear, vibrant screen elevates your content, making every image and video a feast for the eyes. Now, let's focus on the camera technology. Say goodbye to blurry photos and shaky videos. With the Apple Vision Pro, you're equipped with a camera that understands your photography needs. Capture life's moments in incredible detail, and let your creativity soar. Navigating through your device has never been smoother. The Apple Vision Pro introduces an intuitive user interface that's not only user-friendly but also incredibly stylish. It's like Apple has taken the best features of the future and placed them right at your fingertips. Aesthetics matter, and Apple knows it. The Vision Pro boasts a sleek and modern design that not only looks good but also feels good in your hands. It's a device that seamlessly blends into your lifestyle, turning heads wherever you go. Let's talk productivity. Whether you're a student juggling assignments, a professional navigating a busy schedule, or someone who just loves staying organized, the Apple Vision Pro is here to supercharge your productivity. From seamless note-taking to efficient multitasking, this device is a game-changer. Need a break from the hustle and bustle? The Apple Vision Pro transforms into your personal entertainment hub. Immerse yourself in your favorite shows, movies, and games with unparalleled clarity and sound quality. It's not just a device, it's an escape into a world of captivating experiences. Now, let's take a moment to appreciate the technological advancements that make the Apple Vision Pro a true marvel. From its lightning-fast processing speeds to the seamless integration of AI, every aspect is meticulously crafted to provide you with a device that not only meets but exceeds your expectations. What's even more exciting is that the Apple Vision Pro isn't just about the present, it's a glimpse into the future of technology. With ongoing updates and a commitment to staying ahead of the curve, Apple ensures that your device is always at the forefront of innovation. The Apple Vision Pro is not merely a device, it's an experience that redefines the way we interact with technology. With its cutting-edge features, sleek design, real-world applications, and a commitment to future innovation, it's no wonder Apple continues to set the standard in the tech world. If you're as captivated as we are by the possibilities of the Apple Vision Pro, show your enthusiasm by giving this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more tech insights, and let us know in the comments which feature has you most excited. Until next time, stay tuned for more tech wonders. Thank you for being with us on this incredible journey.